Hello guys, IT Shiesty here. I'm back from my little hiatus. I went on holidays. I got kidnapped by dingoes on Fraser Island. And today I'll be teaching you how to make your Linux terminal look sexy. Now, in Linux, your terminal is going to be very important for any type of task that you want to do, like opening apps, changing config files, changing your settings, making things quicker, automation, all that stuff. So you're going to be looking at the terminal a lot, and some people just don't like the default terminal on Linux, and there's a way to change it how it looks. Now, there's many reasons why you'd want to change how it looks. Maybe you're bored of the default terminal. Maybe you want to flex on your co-workers or your classmates. Or maybe you're just bored and you got nothing else better to do, so you just want to change your terminal. So there is a popular way that I like to use, and it's a website called terminal.sexy. But before we go into going to the website, we're going to need to check what type of terminal emulator we are running. I'm using GNOME Terminal, and calm down Linux Chads, I'm only using the terminal emulator. I'm not using the GNOME desktop environment, so please don't roast me. Anyways, so in my terminal box here, I can see a little section here that says the help. And if you click on this, you can click about, and now from here I can see that I'm running the GNOME terminal, or GNOME, whatever you want to say. And now that we've established which terminal emulator that we're using, we're going to go on to Firefox, and we're going to go onto the website terminal.sexy. And because I'm a Chad, I'm going to open up Firefox from the terminal. And the ampersand to specify that I want to run it in the background. So now we're going to go onto the browser, and we're going to go onto the terminal.sexy website. And now we're on the website. So let's go down to here to browse the specific schemes that we have to choose from. And now here we'll show a preview. And now let's check out light. And yeah, if we didn't like the color scheme that the preset has shown us, we can also change it here. So BG, that means the background, so that's around here. FG is the foreground, around there. And now 15 usually is the text here, so if I move this around, as you can see, the text around here is changing. So like I said before, this is probably not what I would choose, but I'll just show you the difference of what the before and after looks like after I change the terminal emulator color scheme. So now we're going to go down to here, and we're going to export. And now the format depends on which terminal that we're using. And so because I'm using the GNOME terminal, I'm going to select the GNOME terminal format. And I'm going to press export. Now this is going to export the shell script that I'm going to use to then bash it onto my terminal to then get the terminal.sexy colors. So now I'm going to press download, and now as you can see, ashes.light 1, because I've already downloaded before, has been downloaded. So now we're going to shoot on over to our downloads directory to run that script. So now that I'm on my terminal, I'm going to CD into the downloads. And as you can see, the thing that we downloaded is up here. So I'm just going to copy this to make it quicker. And I'm going to use the bash command to run the script. And now we can't really see that if anything has happened, because we actually need to reset our shell or open up a new terminal. Now to actually make these changes go through, I'm going to need to go on the edit tab, and then click preferences, and then go onto my profile section, and I'm going to need to select terminal.sexy, which was just downloaded from the bash script that we've just ran in this terminal right here. So I'm going to have to set this as the default, as my profile 2 profile is still selected. So I'll set it as the default, and I'll close. And obviously we're not going to see any changes here because we actually need to open up a new terminal. So I'm going to do that. And here we see the white color theme that we decided before. And like I said before, this is probably not what I would use, 'cause it's a bit light. It's probably hurt my eyes. So if we wanted to change back, we could always just go back to preferences and then change our default preference to the profile too. And we'll have to close that open again, yada yada yada. It is going to be a bit different depending on which terminal emulator that you're using. So that's going to be all for today, and I hope that you have made your terminal more aesthetically pleasing and made it look better to show off to your friends, parents, your spouse, children, whatever. So thanks for watching the video. Please like and subscribe, because I'm broke and I'm poor.